Hello, my dear viewers. I'm sorry for the delay. This is Dukas Copy webinar, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Well, today is 10th of March 2023. This is the last day of the week. Um, I am Dukas Copy's member of the trading community. Please do not confuse me as a Dukas Copy employee. I am not an employee of them. Therefore, all the views or the trading ideas that we are going to discuss in this live stream are of my own. And what we are going to do in this live stream, well, we are going to find the key levels of importance for all the pairs under discussion, and we'll see how we can use those key levels in our trading. Believe me, when I draw key levels on my charts, which are daily or 4-hourly charts, they tend to cling to those levels most of the times, and they are really very good levels to watch. And it is very important to keep those levels on your chart so that when the price approaches them, you if you are already in trade, you want to book profits over there, and if you are not, then maybe you would like to open your trades close to those points only. So what we are going to do, we are going to see the key levels. That is one thing, and we'll be only using the price action trading for this. We'll not be using any technical, indicators or something. We'll just read the naked price action, and we'll not talk about anything fundamental like on me and anything other than charts. We'll only be using the charts to analyze, and specifically we'll be using the candlestick charts to analyze and operate in the markets. All right, guys. So if you are new to this, I would request you to go to the channel's page, home page, and then look for the playlist, which is profitable candlestick patterns, and there is another playlist named as profitable chart patterns. If you go through them, it will help you in understanding what we talk about here in this program, because we tend to make patterns, or we tend to look for the patterns in our naked charts. At the end of the session, guys, I will be taking questions from the viewers, so please ask your questions in the chat. I'll answer them at the end of the session. Lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only for increasing your information or knowledge, and please do not trade directly from the video, but do your own research before you put your money on the line. And let me take you through the risk disclaimer. While the time you are watching the risk disclaimer, let me welcome my guests. The first one is MGA. MGA, welcome to the stream. I just hope that you are still there because I am late, and I think today Desert Island is not there. Well, it doesn't look good. Why he's not here? He should be here. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. So sorry for being late, guys. And today I'll show you how the dollar has broken down today. I hope that you have gone through the risk disclaimer, guys. So let me take you through the, MJ is here. Good. So let me take you to the first chart of the day, that is the dollar index. Well, this is the daily chart of the dollar index. Now, till yesterday, we were thinking that these lows are not taken. So we have, not yesterday, but before some days, these lows were of importance. But after making this high here on 27th of February and making this low, and thereafter making this high, this low became important. That is 104.02 became a very important level for us to consider. Okay, now today, in today's price action, that low has been taken down, and there is a possibility, high possibility, that the price will close below 104.02. If it does so, then fine, but if it does not, then I think we will say this a false break, and the price can reverse towards 105.30. But if we see a close below 104.02, then there's a high probability of the price going back to 104.02 to retest this as the fresh resistance and then head back towards 103.37. This is the dollar index, guys. On the hourly, you will see that the clear breakdown has already occurred, and the price is now headed towards this level again to test it as the fresh resistance. Let us see how the things unfold when the price reach here, and that we will be able to witness only on Monday, maybe. Okay, guys, what about the euro, by the way? Well, the dollar broke down, so euro took the advantage and went higher. So this is what has happened. euro has also broken out higher than the previous highs. Now if that has happened already, that means the price is headed towards 1.0704 area. Test this as the fresh resistance. Now that is the resistance, and 1.0612 is now support. If the price comes back to this area, this will act as a support. Now something like double bottom you can experience here, one bottom and the other bottom here. Between these two bottoms, this was the reaction high. So if you consider this as the high 1.0694, then today if the price goes higher than 1.0694 because of any reason and closes higher than this, then expect a price action like this. Okay, and even if it does not happen today and if it happens on Monday, then also it will be valid. Okay, because any close higher than 1.0694 will expose 1.0801 in this market, and the structure will also be changed and we'll be looking for a higher low and higher high in this market. Right now when I'm streaming this webinar, 1.0694, this high, previous high here, you can expect that to act as a resistance, and the support may be seen around 1.0612 here. Pound, I have turned it to the 1 hour chart, thinking that okay, I will observe it on the 1 hour. You see how the price went into the sellers region and then got rejected from there, but I will switch to the daily to give you a better understanding. So this is what we were expecting. Actually we were expecting the price to rise to 1.1926 and then get rejected, but today because dollar was failing, so pound took an advantage and tried to rise in the area of the sellers. Well, there was a confluence of resistances actually on the daily time frame. There is one resistance being offered by with this falling channels resistance line, and the other resistance was this zone. So the price has seen both the areas. Now I think the sellers have already pushed the prices below that level, and it seems like on 15 minutes I think the structure would have already been broken. I feel like that, and this is actually which you can trade on the 15 minutes very close to the level if you are. So here you see the structure of the market was okay, and here it has broken. So here it has broken. Now this area may be seen as an area of resistance, this area here. Okay, this is an area of resistance. This is also known as fair value gap as per ICT, and if you sell somewhere here, your stop loss will be very small. In this case it will be just 60 points, and your take profit targets will be approximately 150 points. It makes sense, guys. It makes sense to open the trade here and then take profit here. Well, let us see how the things unfold in the pound also, but right now we are very close to the resistance. 1.2121 is the horizontal level, and below 1.1926 is the horizontal level that we should be looking for as the support. Very good support, it will be provided at 1.1840. Well, that's it for the pound. Australian dollar is falling and falling, but today I think it has seen that bit of rise, although there is a rise, but it is not that prominent as it is in case of pound and in case of euro. So you can see these three green candles, but in the case of Australian dollar, you see these are not that prominent. That means Australian dollar is under the pressure, okay, from the dollar. So there is a possibility that 0.6668 will offer huge resistance to this, and the price can make even a lower low than 0.6547. But if we have to become buyers in this one, there is a need of a shift in the market structure, which is not happening anytime soon, and as soon as it will happen, we will let you know. But till now the price is in a downtrending okay, I think there the structure shift on the 4 hourly. I will just remove this one. You see there the price was making lower highs and lower lows, and thereafter it made this high before it made this low, and now it has made a higher high than this one. So expect a higher low to be formed and then the price going like this. Expect like this, okay. Right now the resistance is at 0.6668 and the support is around 0.6584. Keep these two levels in mind. Do not try to open any buy trade in this one. I think right now it is not a good idea because stop loss would be very far, take profit is very close. New Zealand dollar. Well, we are sellers in this market and we are not going to buy this market until we see a market structure break. Market structure break will occur around here when the market breaks above 0.6275, which does not seem like happening today or tomorrow. But on Tuesday or Wednesday, there is a possibility of that happening. When that happens, then we become buyers. But as of now, we are sellers. 0.6190 is the immediate resistance for the price. Immediate support is 0.6155. Later on, next support may be found at 0.6060 in this market. There is no pattern. Okay, if you are looking for any pattern, there is no pattern as of now. But yes, the market structure is very much sell structure. So look for a selling opportunity near 0.6190. USD JPY. If I say that I was short here, will you agree? Actually, not here. I was short here like 136.20 somewhere here. But I booked at 135.36 because that was my level. I did not wait for this level. I booked at 135.36. I still got 50 to 60 points. 60 points, I think. I got exactly 56 points where I was so short. Here, 135.93. Approximately that area. Okay. Okay, so USD JPY, I'm sorry, USD JPY has broken the crucial support of 135.36, you see, and now we become sellers in this one. 135.36 is the area which I will be looking for now as a selling opportunity to go short towards 133.92 area. Okay, keep this in mind. That nothing else. Now the structure has just shifted, so look for some consolidation and then pull back, push towards 133.92 again. USD CAD bulls, and here comes the bears at 138, 1.3832 area. We got the sellers today. This was very bullish. This was very bullish today. During the day this was very bullish until the data came, then we saw a bearish engulfing and now we are headed lower. So this is what has happened, guys, on the USD CAD, and I think now 1.3832 should be taken as a very good resistance level, and the market structure on the 4-hour at least is broken. I hope it breaks on the daily, but for that to happen we need to break below this low, and the low here is 1.3533. so it is very far, like 300 points away. So let's not think about this, but 1.3684 can provide support if the price comes to this area, and then it can push the prices again above 1.3832 if the time permits next week, then fine, otherwise maybe later. So should you be looking for a selling opportunity here? I don't think that is a good idea because the market structure is intact. In fact, you should be looking for a buying opportunity like this. Okay, look for a buying opportunity here. USD CHF, I was short in this trade also today. That's why it was shifted to 5 minutes because I was trading intraday. So now we have seen that the market has gone below 0.9271. This area was a good support. Expect this to act as a good resistance when the price comes from below to this area. So I'll switch to 4-hour to give you a better picture. So expect something like this happening here, guys. Something like this, okay? And when that happens, you should be ready with your sell orders because 9271 may offer a huge resistance to the price when it approaches here in this region. Okay, 0.9100 is now the next support level that I will be looking for as target here. Actually, although the price can go all the way to this low here, which is 0.9059. Why I'm saying so? Because the channel started to build from here. Once the channel breaks, it tends to go to the lowest level from where the channel had actually started. So this is how we trade patterns. What about the silver, guys? Silver, it is rising, but I don't think that it's a rise. It is a dead cat bounce, if you know, because the dollar is falling, or it has fallen during intraday. That's why silver is rising. So I will say that do not be aggressive while buying silver till the time it does not break higher than this falling channel. Do not be aggressive to buy silver. Okay, otherwise, on the other hand, you should be looking for a selling opportunity around here where there is a confluence of multiple resistances. One is this falling channel, the second is this horizontal level, third is this horizontal level. So you have multiple resistances. So I think this area you should be utilizing to open your fresh short position if you want to. On the upside, we have immediate resistance at 20.70. On the low side, we have 20.37 as the support in the case of silver. In case of gold, in the similar lines, we have actually already taken 1865 targets on this one. If you remember, yesterday I was talking about the targets on the higher side is 1865, on the lower side we have 1807 as the support. The targets are taken, double bottom is broken. Now we need a close higher than this high here. I'll mark it this high here. Once it closes, we will be looking for a buying opportunity like this. Okay, in that case, once that happens, the target will be the height of this pattern here. The height of this pattern is approximately 5183. So if we take 5183, so this will amount to be approximately 1909 as the fresh target. Okay guys, so keep this in mind. Once it breaks above 1865 and gives us a good close, actually above 1858 and gives us a good close, I think we should be looking for 1858 as the fresh support to the target of 1909. MJ, you are with me? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Do you understand? There was one bottom, there was second bottom, the reaction high was here, reaction high is taken out. That means all the sellers who are here in this region are out of the market. Now they will try to enter the buy. So we will buy with them. Simple. And what is the possible target? It is equal to the height of this pattern, which is 1909. This area. Okay. So you can do like this. MJ, do you understand, my friend? Do you have a time to type in the chat that yes, you understand, or no, you don't understand? Okay, MJ is saying something around Euro GBP. I think the market should retest the new 0.887 support to go north to breach the 0.8888 resistance. This is confirmed at D1 and H4 for now for long trade. Let me check when I go to Euro GBP, my friend, but you follow me. Okay, yes. So yeah, so any close above 1858 will, I think, open the way for 1909 in this market. So let us see how the things unfold in this also. We are passive traders. We do not trade till the time we have confirmation. Okay, so just stay the passive sense here, the gold. If you see that this W has broken or this double bottom has broken, then only you'll be looking for a buying opportunity in the gold. What about Brent? Well, did I tell you that 80.39, 77.58 and 7.09 is now exposed in this market? Guys, you see how briskly it will start moving lower now. 80.39 the first target, 77.58 is the second target, third target is 75.09. Today I have nothing to say. The resistance is at 84.27, the support is at 80.39. That's it. USDR, I was trading at 1 minute in this market, guys. But yes, you see that at the higher stakes, nobody is ready to buy this market, so it got sold. It got sold out here, broke the two supports on the way down, 18.3199, and now I think it is looking for 17.9910. But if it breaks this one, then it would have already broken through this market structure, and then we will become sellers in this market. Till now we are buyers. Why? Because this okay, this low is intact. This low here on 1st of March, which was 18.0199, is still intact, so we are buyers in this one. But this candle is not good to open any buy position. So what we will be doing, we will be creating a falling channel in this one. We will be creating a falling channel. You join the two highs, recent highs and the recent low, and this becomes your channel. Okay, once this channel is broken to the upside, we will become buyers, but that should happen above 18.0199 only. If it happens below this, we become sellers. All right guys, fair enough. So yes, okay, clean the charts. Okay, what about the Bitcoin? Well, Somebody, I think, lost a big deal. 21,342 was the support. It broke. I thought, I think I told you, once it breaks, the price will converge towards 18,132. And if 18,132 is taken down, the price is going to hit 15,440. So there's no point holding your longs here. Okay, make sure that you shed from your longs as soon as possible. Well, 21,342 is now resistance because it has broken through the support. So this is now resistance. 18,132 is now support. I will say stay away from Bitcoin. It has no meaning now. Euro JPY, guys, I was a buyer in the Euro JPY like on the daily because above 142.93, I'm a buyer in this one. But recently, the price action has been suggesting that there is sell-off. There's a lot of sell-off in this pair, and you see that today, even today, there is a bearish engulfing. If it closes below 143.87, then I think that will be even worst for. You said Bitcoin is not for long. Yeah, I said that is just I said Bitcoin is not for long. Yes, sir. I said Bitcoin is not okay. I said Bitcoin is not for long. I said that make sure that you square off your long positions if you have any. Like I think Desert Island and Alice they were playing Bitcoin in the long direction, and they wanted me to let them know when it is not good for long. So right now it has broken through the market structure. Boom. So you just want to get out of this market. That is what I'm saying. MJ, I hope you follow this. What I just said you. Yeah, okay. So there's no point in holding Bitcoin in the long direction now. So Euro JPY till the time, okay, not time. I think I can create a channel here, from here, this, and then this. Okay. So the price has although entered inside the channel, but this channel has a long way to go. The price can actually go to 140, and in that process, it will break through this. Okay, the highest high is here. Before making this high, the price made low here. Boom, like this. Actually, this 142.14 is the prominent low, but after this, the market has made a high here, then a low here. Okay, so 142.14 is still the swing pivot on the daily. Till the time the price is beyond 142.14, I think we should be looking for the buying opportunity in the yen. And from the daily and 4 hourly, it looks like a beautiful channel, a wonderful channel forming up here. This is called consolidation channel, the highest high and the next high, and thereafter the next low here. So I think this channel is good, and you should be looking for a buying opportunity whenever the price strikes this falling channel support line. But it should all happen above 142.14. If the price goes below this level here, 142.14, then we will become sellers in the euro yen because it will be a break of the market structure. I hope you follow here also. So Euro GBP, my friend was saying something. He was saying, I think the market should retest the new 0.8827 here. 0.8827. Let me mark that. Where is your 8827? Why are you marking that area? Because this is the recent low that the price has made. Okay, before this low, this was the level that the price has made. I think the market should retest the new 0.8827 support to go north to breach the 8886 8888. All right, so you are thinking that it is possible that the price will breach this 0.8889 area. Let me check. So this is 4 hour. On the 4 hour, the market structure here is up till now, but right now you see if my friend MGA, do you see this candle here? The current candle of the 4 hour has breached this low to the downside. So I'll be expecting a lower high to be formed in this market. For that lower high to form, I'll be making these channels here. Okay, if not this, then at least this one. Okay, so expect, okay, I will remove this one so that we have a clarity here. So this one is important, this one is not important. Okay, so I'm removing this one also. So you see, I'm expecting actually the price to make a lower high. Don't you think that this will be a good area to go lower high? Now right now what you said is 0.8886 is the resistance. Yes, this is resistance. In fact, this is really a confluence of resistance if the price goes here on 14th of March or on 13th of March. Now till the time, if the price goes and gets rejected here, the market structure, which is downtrending structure, will be intact. But if it breaks higher than this, I think the market will have to break higher than this also to make sure that the market structure is intact in the uptrend direction. Just now in the last 4 hours, the price has broken this market structure, guys, this one. Okay, so it will be looking for making a lower high now, something like this. I hope that satisfies you. What you are saying is that price will come back to this area to go up. I don't think so. On the contrary, I'm thinking that the price may get rejected at the low of this candle only. Okay, I think that the price will get rejected somewhere here. Just saying, I'm not sure about that. I think somewhere here the price will get rejected, but if it continues, it can continue all the way up to 0.8889. Yes, you are right, but it will come down to 0.8827. Okay, 8827. Where is 8827? Okay, already this area. That means no, I don't think that, brother. I don't think that the price will come back to this area now. I will make it even easier for you. You see, on the 15 hours or 15 minutes, on the 30 minutes, the price is already broken out of this range. So if you take this as a small range, the price is already broken out of it, at least on the 15 minutes. The maximum that it can go is to this this area, I think, this area of 8842, 8842, 8843 area, I think. 882, 8827, I don't think that it is going to come. No, in my opinion, it is not going to come, my friend. The maximum it should come to is 8842 area, and then it can extend to 8889. But believe me, the market structure is downtrending structure, so you should not be looking for any buying opportunity in this market, but you should be looking for a selling opportunity. So keep this in mind. You should be looking for a selling opportunity. It already retested 0.8827. When did it do? No, it has tested that today at 10:10. Right now the time is 1212, like 2 hours back. Now it will not retest that area, my friend, because there was a range made after testing that area. There was a range made and the price has already broken out of that range. So maximum it can go now is to that top point of the range, which is 8842. That's my point. Okay, US 500. Wow, is this my level I drawn today? No, 3885 was our target. Do you remember, MGA? 3885 was our target when we went short here in this market. Yesterday I said don't go anywhere till the time we are not sure where the market is going. Now we see that this 3885 is breached, so expect lower lows here in this market. Okay, on the higher side we have resistance 3993, support is 3885, guys, in this market. Euro must be rising against Australian dollar. See, this small pullback is over. Boom, boom, boom. The market is going towards 1.6224, but you are not going to buy this because it is already moved a lot in that direction. So stay away from this one also. Ethereum, second last. Ethereum has broken, now is testing the channel support area. If it breaks below that, then 1072 will be exposed. If it finds support here, then 1460 will be acting as a resistance. If it breaks through 1460, then 1555 will be resistance. That's all for the Ethereum, nothing special. CAT JPY, my friend, we never got 140.40 in this one. I was very keen in getting that price to go short here, but you see the price has already moved 400 points from there and we have not been able to short this. All right, it's okay. We are happy, but if you remember that when this candle came below the low of this candle, we asked you to short with a small stop loss above this one. This is a good trade, and we still have targets to achieve like 96.6164 area and later on 94.63. So there may be some retesting of 99.07 area, or maybe even this falling channel, rising channel support line to find this as a fresh resistance, or maybe up to 99.07 only. So we'll keep this on our chart so that we find out what happens when the price goes here. So that's all guys for me today. I hope MJ you follow everything, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the chat. I will be very happy to answer you. No questions? Hey, come on. Let me know your doubts. Hey guys, I hope you got to know about the support and the resistance levels that may be of interest in the next week. And please keep in mind, please do not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade. You can make millions of dollars in this market by trading every day or like whenever you get an opportunity. But if you take a single trade with a lot of risk, you have a tendency or chance of blowing your account. Do not blow off your account. Live for another day. That is must. Please keep in mind to not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please smash that like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new to the channel. I wish you and your family a very happy and profitable weekend. Thank you for watching. See you on Monday. Same place, same time. Bye bye.